I'm back with the interesting video. It is regarding pigmentation. There are so many girls and so many people, those who are connected to me, social media, personally, family people, they have requested this in a high demand to know about pigmentation. Yes, pigmentation is something nowadays all age groups are affected. It There are several reasons for pigmentation. It can be because of vitamin deficiency, or it's because of sunburn, and it's because of hormonal changes. I'm going to explain everything, all products as per the age groups in this video. Watch it. Let me tell you one thing, whatever products I'm referring or recommending you, it's not to cure completely the pigment, it is to control your pigment. If your pigment is growing, it will control that, it will lighten that, but it won't completely cure that, because I'm not a doctor and cosmetic products are not made to cure something. Okay, for that you have to consult a doctor. Rest I'm going to help you guys as per my research. Please watch. Home remedies. You can apply apple cider vinegar or a tomato juice. Apply on the affected area for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it. Or if you want to clean it for permanently and make your skin glowing and clear, then you have to do consult with dermatologist for laser treatments. There are so many laser treatment nowadays. It's like 3-5 or mostly starts from 3000 to 4000 and onwards. You can do a laser treatment and it will go. Please consult to dermatologist. Human body faces hormonal changes 3 times in a whole life. So first age group is 18 to 23, second age group is 23 till 29 to 40 years, then post 40 years, right? Because our puberty and our maturity, our egg formation stops at the age of 40. Some people have gone through the 45. After that, everything we have to take is as a supplement. So I will help you with the all age group products. Let's watch this and I'll explain it. Age group between 18 to 23. In this age group, people usually get pigments due to more sun exposure or due to wrong product choose. Please learn what is your skin type. Study your skin properly. If you have oily skin, you have oil all over your face. If you are dry skin, you have dry all over your face. If you are combination skins, you have some part oily and some part dry. Okay, which is my skincare, my skin type. And if you want to know about combination skincare routine, you can watch my previous video, you can get it. Okay, and next for this age group, I will highly recommend sunscreen. Please do not go outside without sunscreen. Go without lipstick, go without foundation, but do not go without sunscreen. Right, sunscreen I like the most is VLCC one. There are 2 types of sunscreens. I will give you this link in the description below. You can buy from that link. VLCC has a matte sunscreen, and another one is a gel based sunscreen. Gel based sunscreen is very good for skin who have pimples, who have some inflammation, whatever you have. And third is my favorite sunscreen, which is Fusion Water sunscreen. Fusion Water sunscreen is very light and it is very effective. You have to apply more, but it is very effective and it won't harm UV rays to your skin. Then it comes to the age group of 29 to 40. So in that age group, people usually get pigmentation because of stress or because of hormonal changes. In this age, usually female body started decreasing the creation of female hormones. So in that case you have to do more exercise, more physical work, more yoga and everything. Drink a lot water drinking is compulsory for all age groups, but for this age group you have to use extra vitamin C supplements, vitamin E supplements. For that, what I use, I will give a link in the description below, you can go and buy it. And next group is 40 above. In that age your body will stop ovulating, so there is no creation of vitamin E, C or whatever required thing for your skin. So definitely you have to take a supplement C or E or multivitamins. In that case, please take it more. Please take more amount or more power vitamin C, because your body really needs vitamin C for your glowing skin. Eat more lemons, more mosambi, which is lemon, mosambi, amla, all are rich in vitamin C. But those have actually very less quantity with what as per your body needs. So you have to take a vitamin C or vitamin E complements, right? Whatever I use, I will give a link down there. And next thing, exercise is must. And last but not the least, exfoliations. Please exfoliate your skin. Even if you have no pimples, even if you have no dead cells, you have to exfoliate your skin, because it is very necessary to do blood circulation all over your face. There are exercise matters. Before sleeping, take 2 or 3 drops of virgin coconut oil, massage it well on your fingers, and please do like this: 1.8 times, 1.8 times here, 1.8 times here, 1.8 times here, and another here 8 times, and then eyes 8 times, under eyes 8 times. Virgin coconut oil, if you want, you can put 2-3 pinch of turmeric on that. It will be an antiseptic massager for you. Massage it well. If you are a 18 years person, you can massage it for 4-5 times. 29 to 40 age group, they can do it 8 or 15 times. And if you are more than 40 years, then please do it 40 times. You can see the difference in 40 days. Not even 40 days, in 15 days you will get to see the difference. If not, then please let me know in the comment section. And whatever improvements you wanted me to do, whatever video you wanted me to post, this video was the highly recommended or highly interested video from my previous video, so I am posting it. I think this video will help you girls and boys, whatever it is. The same thing happens with boys, but boys don't see so much fluctuation on their hormones. So okay, for boys it is like normal, whatever they are using from since beginning, they can use it till death. But girls have different case. So well, I think this video gonna help you, and please click on thumbs up, please subscribe, and leave some comment if you wanted me to change something. Thank you.